Here's how to add confetti to your Mailerlite page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, go to Mailerlite, and then on the main menu, choose Sites. Inside Sites, click on the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use the confetti demo under landing pages to go to the editor. Click on the Edit button at the right side of the page. Once you're inside the editor, click Blocks in the right side panel. By the way, please disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now going back here under blocks, scroll down and find HTML code. Drag it anywhere in the page. You'll notice that a new block was added here in the middle, and your next step is to click on the edit icon. This will show a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Now right click with your mouse and click paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Control V for Windows or Command V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the HTML code element, click on the Save button at the bottom. Now, click on the Preview button right here on the upper right corner to see the confetti animation in action. And if you did all the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.